guys, it's Frankie here, and I want to introduce you to the stunning resort community of Solara, where you truly become a part of the magic here in Orlando, Florida. Solara is located right off of Westside Boulevard, just minutes from Disney and all of the attractions of Orlando. The builder, Madame Homes, is proud to choose communities by evaluating what nature has to offer and then introducing pure enjoyment. Parks, walking trails, lounging areas, and so much more. And by so much more, I mean this. Solara offers resort amenities that are out of this world. Come on and take a look. A heated grand pool, splash parks and water slides, teen hangout centers, sundry store, fitness centers, basketball and beach volleyball courts, and a full-size soccer field. Ready to catch a wave? Then go with the flow without even leaving the resort on the FlowRider Surf Simulator. Once you're done catching a few waves, enjoy the perfect mix of vacation food here at the Solstice, where the magic just continues in savory bites. If you're already trying to figure out who's joining you on your next vacation here at Solara, don't fret, space is not an issue. The impressive floor plans range anywhere from 3 to 5 bedroom townhouses to 4 to 9 bedroom single family homes. Space for everyone.